Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Now we are having our live trading session, right? So I hope all of you are here already. Okay, so now we are on the London market right now. Okay, so yep. So let's see how is it going today. And for those who are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel here to build this channel and the community, so that we can trade at the same time as we can share and learn together. All right. Okay, so yep. Okay, so let's see. Okay, let's we will do some of this checking first. Okay, if you can hear me clearly. All right. Okay, so hopefully all of you can hear me clearly. Okay, if you can hear me clearly, can you give me a response here, like maybe a 1? Okay, a pin, a 1 for me. All right, if you can hear me. Yes, okay. All right. Okay, that's good. Okay. Good, thank you, Bradley. Very clear. Okay, Aiden, thank you. All right, Fab, thank you very much. All right, so good morning to those in the morning, right? And also good afternoon to those in the Asia. Yes, okay, let's quickly MT4. Okay, now let's take a look. What do we have here? Aussie franc. Right, Aussie franc over here. Okay, like just now we have already tested once, and yes, after that over here, from here to here, about 30 pips. Okay, but of course we were here just now. We were here just now early on, right? So well, now tested the support and it's not breaking yet, so we still need a while to go. Okay, so yes, just be patient. All right. Yes, that's right, huh? Just be patient. Okay, so yes. Okay, so Aiden was asking me, GJ is going up now. Later, can we trade? Okay, GJ. Pao Yen. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, Pao Yen. Pao Yen over here. Yes, like over here, like I say, okay, very likely, okay, it is going to test, okay, this part here, okay. So over here, H1 is much clearer if you do this, okay. So over here is like a double bottom here, tested on the support, and now it's going up. All right, so the resistance now currently as it comes up, okay, so there's about to have a resistance before this. Okay, so let's see when is this. We will see that there's one here. No, okay, tested one here yesterday. Okay, the high yesterday over here, and this area. Okay, this whole area. Okay, so tentatively, I'm going to put this up here. All right, so this whole area is the resistance area. So as we can see, okay, so yep, this is the one that we are looking out for. So today, okay, so yeah, just look out for this. I guess we still have a while to go. Although right now we have a resistance like here, we have another level of resistance over here, correct? Okay, here. Okay, so this part here, yes, this part of the resistance. Yeah, this part of resistance, okay, this area of resistance that it may have some retracement, but currently it is still not the ideal to sell yet. Okay, so perhaps this one you have to wait for the next 4 hours to open. Okay, yep. That's right. Okay, hi Hubert. Okay. Okay, yes, yes. Oh, thank you, Hubert. All right, thank you, Hubert and company. Yes, I really appreciate your attendance here as well. Yeah, since yes, thank you so much. Over here we have very nice people here. Okay, thank you, Hubert, for appreciating my effort here. Okay, yes. What are we going to do is that this part here, okay, this session, right, today, this session, okay, shall be the last session for the week, okay, because tomorrow, okay, tomorrow I won't be around. Then I'll be back on the Monday again, okay. Okay, yes, all right. So once again, yep. Thank you very much. Okay, so yes, in this session, we are going to look at how the live market is going, okay, and how we are going to trade, okay, together. And let's see, we have some sharing, okay, about how are we going to trade, right? So yes, that's right. Okay, so those who are new to my channel, remember to click on the subscribe button, and we can share ideas here, trading ideas together, and also trade together, so that we can let's see if we got a chance to grab some profit together as well. Okay, right, that's good. Okay, so over here, Aussie franc. Okay, let's take a look at take a look at Aussie yen. Okay, Aussie franc, we have talked about it already. So for Aussie yen, I'm still waiting for it to test on the resistance. Okay, so it's good that it's now going upwards, okay, to test on the resistance. So I guess it's pretty good that I did. This is good for me. Okay, this is something that I wish to look at. Okay, yep. Okay, so tentatively, all right, tentatively, yes. Tentatively, yeah, we will be looking at this first. Okay, yes, all right. That's right, that's right. Okay, so this is what we are going to do. Okay, and yep. Roger, yes. I realized that you have been focusing on pound yen. Why is that so? Okay, why am I focusing on pound yen? Okay, actually, I was focusing on pound yen. Okay, for the days. Okay, where this week, this wave, and this wave. All right. So this wave over here, okay, this wave over here, more onto sharing and learning, and grab some, okay, when there's some possibility there, okay. Pound yen, sorry. Pound yen, okay, pound yen, yes, okay. So yeah, pound yen, this wave and this wave, okay. So along the way, before it actually breaks out of this resistance, okay, you can see there's a resistance here, right? So before it breaks out into this resistance, I'm trying to take some pullback. Okay, I'm trying to take some profit from the pullback. Okay, yep. So over here, right over here. So tentatively, we are actually now bridging up with this resistance area. Okay, so I'm still waiting for it to reach this area before I actually can start trading. Why is that so? Is because I always, when I wanted to sell, I always wanted to sell at the resistance. Okay, I always wanted to sell at the resistance. So I always wanted to look at the resistance first. Okay, this area of resistance. Okay, so this area, okay, currently is at this area. So tentatively, okay, I'm still waiting for it to happen. Okay, so yep. Oh, okay, yes, that's good. So along the way, as we can see, all right, for this H1, let's take a look at H1. Okay, H1 is clearer. Okay, right. So this way, this is what happened yesterday, correct? Okay, last week was here. We actually started this wave, correct? We actually started this wave. Then after that, another wave, correct? And another wave. then this is a pullback. Now starting off here is already starting for a pullback. Okay, so this is the pullback. Yeah, this is the pullback over here then which I'm actually looking out for. All right, so and now it's starting to have a higher support for so many days until here. Okay, it's already showing a buying signal is very strong. Buying signal is very strong over here. Correct. Okay, so yes, this week we are all focusing on pullback. Yes, that's right. Okay, so along the way, okay, as we are trading, okay, we also learn something. Okay, like examples, we are going to like this week we are going to for the past 1 week we're going to focus on the pullback, or certain weeks we're going to focus top, double bottom. Okay, and how do you identify and how do you trade with a double top, double bottom, or head and shoulder, resistance, support. Okay, so what is the kind of a part that we are going to see, and what is the kind of a setup we are going to have, right? Then also what is the conditions that we are looking at, all right? So same thing, then after that it round down to become a structure for us. Okay, yes, so tentatively, okay, what we are going to look out for is like the currency pairs. Let's go back to the currency pairs first. Okay, Aussie yen over here. Right, Aussie yen, okay, very clear that I'm waiting for the resistance to be tested, because the resistance over here, okay, it has been tested once. Okay, so now it's coming back for the retesting. So when it become a retesting, okay, it will be very likely to be a, okay, it will be a double top. Okay, so yes, when it become a double top, then we will see how it's going to trade. Okay, how it's going to be and how are we going to trade, right? Okay. Yes. Roger, yes. Roger was saying something. Okay, so kind of. Okay, kind of. We still have around about 30 pips, which is not very far away. Okay, so we can still continue to wait for this to happen. Okay, so then perhaps on the second half of the day, then we will have a very good chance for Aussie yen to sell. Okay, Aussie yen, second half of the day. Yes. Okay, second half of the day, then very likely we're going to sell Aussie yen. Okay. Yes, that's right. Correct. That's right. Okay, awesome. Okay, good. So over here, and once again, okay, Aussie dollar. It's Aussie yen. What's the trend of the Aussie yen? Lausanne. Okay, Lausanne. All right, Lausanne. The trend of this Aussie yen. Okay, right now, as you can see from the top here, we are coming down as a lower resistance, lower low, and it start to hit up a higher support, higher lows, and are now coming to test the resistance. Correct. So this part here, okay, I won't consider it as a bull market. Okay, I won't consider it as a bull market first. Okay, so tentatively, this part here, I would say that sorry, did I say? Sorry, I would consider this as a bear market because, okay, I would say that this is still in the bear market. I would say that from here, this is a bull, correct? So there's a pullback and a retesting again. Now retesting again. So all this right now in this wave, okay, is a temporary selling over to form a bear market. Okay, to form a bear market. However, right now, at this point here, now we are meeting up with a resistance. So there may be a swing down again. All right, there may be a swing down to construct the bear market. Okay, to construct the bear market. Okay, so there's a highly possible. Okay, highly possible. Okay, so this is something that we should be looking out for as well. Okay. Okay, so yeah, let's move to Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar over here, we are now actually hitting on the support and coming back to retest the resistance. correct, retest the resistance. So it's kind of very obvious that if you see this part, this is a left shoulder, this is a head, and now coming out for a right shoulder. So this you know, this is not a perfect head and shoulder. Okay, so but again, we will need to check by then how it will look like. Okay, when it comes to a right shoulder coming back to sell, to see if it's constructing a right shoulder over here, this area. Okay, so tentatively, okay, what we are looking at is that, okay, we are going to grab some profits when it hits on the resistance and got rejected down. So what we are going to see is that you know, the rejections, okay, can be profitable when there is rejections, selling signal coming again with a new selling cycle, okay, in H1 that I always see. All right, then we can also pay attention to that. All right, so yeah, the resistance over here, as you can see, okay, so this whole area, okay, is a resistance, correct? So now as a left shoulder, and over here coming again, so still waiting for it to reach this level. Okay, we have about 16 pips to go. 16. Okay, so euro yen, let's take a look at euro yen. Well, euro yen now, yes, it's moving upwards. It's good. That this is something like what I want to have. All right, it's something that I like to see. Okay, right now over here, this is the resistance over here. Okay, I Forex New Way have little free time now looking at pound dollar. I see. Okay, so you're looking at pound dollar for buying or selling. Okay, so let's take a look. Euro yen. Okay, so euro yen, we are going to wait for it to retest the resistance before we take action. Okay, all right, so right now, okay, so over the other side, okay, and let's take a look at pound dollar as well. We also have shortlisted. Okay, pound dollar, right? Pound dollar, let's take a look. All right, so pound dollar, let's take a look over here. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, so over here, this is the part we have plotted out the resistance over here. Yes, sell very soon. Oh yes, correct. Okay, so coming soon. Okay, for pound dollar. So pound dollar over here, let's take a look. Okay, yes, pound dollar is actually pretty near. Okay, pretty near already. So dollar, let me take pound dollar. Okay. Okay. Yeah, let me check. Right. Okay, so 125,417 is the 61.8 of the drop yesterday. Sorry, 125,417. 5417. Let me see. I think it's about there. Okay. Yeah, 417. Okay, so I think it's about here. Okay. Yeah, it's around there. Okay, so it's around here. Yep. Okay. All right. So I hope everyone made money yesterday from the pound yen trade. Yes. Good. Yeah. Yes, I've received some messages telling me that yes, they gotten some of the profit there. So yeah, so good. That's a good one for pound yen yesterday, right? So over here, okay, let's continue with this a little bit of pound dollar. Also one of the focus here. Okay, pound dollar. So pound dollar. Yes, pound dollar. Pound dollar, yes. People were saying hi to Forex New Way. Okay, and okay, so over this part here, okay, pound dollar. Okay, I guess pound dollar is pretty good. Okay, so we can actually monitor this pound dollar. as we are getting very near. We are getting very near. We are very, very near to this. We are getting very near. All right. So yeah, we should have some space now. Okay. Right. There's some space now. Okay. So which is quite good over for pound dollar now. Okay. Pound dollar. Pound dollar. Right, so pound dollar, we are very near, so we can pay attention to that. Okay, sellers are waiting at 1255 to 1256. 1256. Okay, 1256. Ah, 1255. 1256. Aha. Okay. Okay. Yes. Yeah, this is the area of resistance here, as we can, all of you can see. Okay, good sharing here. Okay, so coming again, right? So this is the area. Okay, focus right now. Okay, pound dollar is very near. Okay, sorry, pound yen again. No, pound yen. No, hang on first. Okay, hang on first. So euro yen. Let's take a look at euro yen. Euro yen, we still have a way to go. Okay, still have a way to go. And tentatively, like I said, euro yen, okay, euro yen tentatively is going to retest. Okay, but looking at the whole situation now, euro yen, okay, we are still waiting for the exact situation to place before we can put it into a selling trade. Okay, so hang on. Okay, all right. Another general reminder, guys, apart from subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay, and to sharing here, and also tomorrow I won't be around, okay, for this live session, but I will still go with my my forex trading plan, okay, on the first session, and the trading session here I won't be around, right? So yeah, so I will be seeing all of you on the live trading on the next week. Okay, on the next week. All right, so yep. Let's come back again. Aussie dollar. Let's take a look at Aussie dollar. Right, Aussie dollar over here. Well, Aussie dollar. Now let's take a look. Aussie dollar over here. Well, Aussie dollar, right now. Okay, Aussie dollar. This level. Okay, I'm still waiting for this level to come in here to have a test on this resistance here. Okay, but still waiting. Okay, not yet. Okay, so Aussie yen. Okay, Aussie yen is something that we also can also pay attention. Okay, look at Aussie yen. So Aussie yen right now, okay, we are very close also. Okay, but still need a while to go. So it may come again on the maybe 1 or 2 hours later. Right, for the next Aussie yen probably have to wait for the next session, right, before we can take action. Okay, so yep, that's right. Okay, no, not yet. Aussie yen, not yet. Okay, Aussie yen still have a way to go. All right, Aussie yen still have a way to go. Yep. Okay, so Aussie franc. Let's take a look at Aussie franc. Let's check back on all the currency pairs that we have picked out. Okay, so Aussie franc over here. Yes, let's look at Aussie franc. So currently Aussie franc, okay, over here, we are actually now having we are waiting for it to break the support earlier on, but now it has become rejected up. So over here, as we can see, okay, the support area from here to here, this area has been tested and actually got rejected up again. So highly likely I'm going to wait for Aussie franc to test on the resistance, okay, before I actually take into consideration. Okay, right? Yeah. Okay, that's cool, right? Okay, so Aussie, yeah, Aussie, but the Aussie, I would say that probably some at a certain point, like Aussie yen, okay, it may go a bit slow after the market, if the market goes. Okay, so we still need some time. Okay, we still need some time for it to come, the volume. Okay, so probably may not happen today, it may happen only tomorrow. Okay, so yeah, just hang on with it first. Okay, Aussie dollar not yet. Okay, Aussie dollar not yet. And Euro yen, I'm going to switch to this. Okay, so that it's easier for me. And not yet as well. So Euro yen. Okay, next one will be pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Right, pound dollar. Get oh, we are getting nearer and nearer. Wow. Okay, so yes. Okay. Yes, that's right. Okay. Uh, Good. That's right. We are actually now waiting for pound dollar. We are waiting for pound dollar to sell. We're waiting for pound dollar to sell. Yes. Okay. So I'm still waiting for it to push harder, push higher. Okay. And expecting to see rejections as well. Okay. So hopefully coming along the way that we can see the rejections. Okay. Yep. Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Well, seems like pound is actually quite strong right now. So yes, getting on very. Yeah, let's hang on with this. Okay. 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 Piano. 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 Yeah. What you're saying? Um. Piano. I don't understand. I don't understand this. I don't understand Italian. Okay, I give you a while. Alright. Okay. Right. So yes, as we can see, okay, continue as current situation that we are moving. The closest that from the peaks here, okay, pound dollar is very close. Okay, the closest one. All right, the closest one. Yes. Okay, pound dollar is the closest one right now as we are waiting for. Okay. Okay, so let's see what do we have right now. Oh, okay. Yeah. Cool. Okay, so okay, questions like say we are actually been trading for such a while, and in the market we've seen many signaler. Okay, yes, okay. Roger, yes. Roger was saying that okay, so there are plenty of people are giving out signals. Okay, why are there so many people still fail in the Forex trading and the signal provider are still doing so well? Oh, I see. Okay. Well, personally, okay, I'm not somebody into signal provider. Okay, so I believe like Hubert, okay, like Forex New Way, like some of you over here, right? So I believe things that I believe we also don't really go into signal provider. Okay, why is that so? Is because it's not that they are no good. Okay, it's not that they are no good. Okay, but it's just that sometimes we do not know what is their risk management. Okay, we do not know what's their risk management. For example, okay, they can afford to lose 10 trades in a month. Okay, right? So but for people who are following the signals, all right, people who are following the signals, they do not know what is the risk management towards the strategy. So that is one of the main reasons that people who follow the signals failed. Okay, right? Signal providers usually do not work. Okay, so Forex New Way was saying that signals providers usually do not work. As we know, okay, signal providers usually don't work in a way. Okay, as a whole, okay, majority don't work. It is true. Okay, this is one of my mistake as well. Yeah, this is one of my mistake. Okay, and this is also something that I'll be sharing in one of my videos. All right. So in the past, I also make such a mistake that I follow a lot of I paid and follow a lot of signal providers. In the end, yeah, what's the end result? Yeah, lose money. Okay. So yeah, but I realized that there are many things, there are many factors that as a followers like me in the past, okay, I follow the signal and why did I fail? Okay, it's because one thing is about delay entry. You know, by the time the signal comes to you, the price has already gone for don't know to the heaven or to the hell. You know, so basically we. For people who follow signals, it's really not beneficial. Yeah, personally, because this is what I experienced before, right? Okay. So paying for signals will not make you a better trader. Learn to analyze the charts by yourself. Exactly. I love this phrase. Okay, I love this sentence. Yeah, this is good. Okay, so yeah, usually I right now, okay, there are still many signal provider around. Okay, but then again is that if you really want to trade long term, okay, and to make it as a career, okay, I will advise that signal provider is not really advisable. Okay, all right. Okay. Right, so there's a question over here, okay, for all of you, okay. It's for me, but I'm going to throw this down to the floor, so you can voice your view, okay, if you have some views about these questions. So, Eric, you are going live now. Are you also a signal provider? Okay, so yeah, that's the question. Okay, so am I also a signal provider? Okay, right. So okay, what do y'all think? Okay. Yeah. Oh, I'm not sure. Okay, I don't know. Okay, many people have different thoughts. Okay, different views. Okay, Peter. Okay, right. Kind of, yes, you are giving your view where price will go. Yes, that's right. Okay, so correct, that's right. So Eric is going live to share analysis together as a group sharing. Yeah, that's also yes. Okay. Basically, okay, I'm not a signal provider. I wouldn't see myself as a signal provider. Okay, because since been trading for so many years, and then I guess you know, like Bradley, Gilbert, Forex New Way, okay, and Flora. Okay, Flora have been trading for 11 years, right? If I didn't remember wrongly. Okay, so And many of you out there, I believe that you know, trading in the initial part, okay, lonesome is our best friend, correct? Lonesome. We are very lonely, correct? Yeah. So yeah, in this era, okay, back then we don't have things like this, like YouTube. We have IRC, correct? We have IRC. Yeah, and last time we don't have Facebook, but we have Friendsters. Do you remember those days? Those were the era, correct? Okay, those were the days that yeah. So we don't have a lot of technology that you can expose to and in touch with many traders out there. So right now, since we have, so why not we tag on the technology, and actually we can actually go on, all right, to actually have a touch with many people out there, many traders out there, and we can, you know, we can actually go with a lot of sharing, you know, knowledge sharing, so that we learn from each other and create a very harmony, fantastic community over here, correct? So this is my idea, that's all. So yeah, I love to share, I love to chat, I love to talk to people. How old are you, Forex New Way? Okay, probably, do you want to rephrase it again? How young am I? Okay, all right, okay, I'm 52. Oh yeah, okay, I'm your junior. I'm 44, coming soon. 44 coming soon. Okay, right, okay, 44 coming soon. Yes. Okay, so I'm in the finance since age of 19. Yeah, right, still very young. You are as well. 52 is a good age, right? Okay, so over here, let's take a look at the pound dollar. Let's take a look at pound dollar. All right, we are getting near. Okay, pound dollar. Pound dollar over here. Let's see. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, we are pretty near. We are now very near. Okay, 12533. Okay, so pretty near now. So hang on with it. No, not now, no. Okay, remember, okay, we have to test. Okay, test the resistance first. Okay, right. And at the same time, okay, we still need to observe there's the volume coming along. Okay. We have another 10 minutes to go. The H1 is going to open. All right. When did you start trading? When? Oh, that's that was like that was like years back. Forex trading wise will be I guess about 15. Yeah, about 15. 16. I think so. Yeah, 15 or 16. Yes. Okay. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, around there. Okay, so now it's 2202. Before Lehman shock, yes, that was 2020, 2008 and 07, 6. I think that is about 045, 0405. Yeah, about there. I believe I believe you should be able to feel that when you are at a certain stage and you tend to forget certain years. Sometimes I even forget what's my current age. You think sales at the order block? You think sale at the order block? I'm sorry, D. I'm so sorry I didn't get you. Do you mind to elaborate a little bit more? Okay, so pound dollar. We have about 9 minutes to go. Right, 9 minutes to go. Okay. Hang on. Yep. Sell on the 1 hour supply. Okay, sell on the 1 hour supply. Do you mean that I will put in a selling order on the H1? Do you mean that? Okay, so Hubert. Okay. Okay, so basically, okay, hi D. Okay, so over here, what we meant is that the main thing is that we are still waiting. Anyway, the pound is running into main supply zone. Yeah, the heaviest trading zone was from 1.2532. Okay, last Tuesday and Wednesday. This is current resistance. 1.2532. See. Okay. Okay. Anyway, the pound is running into the main supply zone. Okay, so over here, what you think? Okay, what you think? Okay, all right. So over here, we have a similar thoughts over here together. The three of us here, like D and Forex New Way, and yes, I over here. Okay, so when the H1, okay, when the H1, all right, when the H1 opens, I will look at the condition, the situation, right? Like Forex New Way was saying that actually we have already into the area. Okay, we have already into the area. Okay, I call this an area for laymen. Okay, for many laymen out there. So this area here. Okay, so this is the one that today we are on Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, right? So last week, okay, you can see this. Okay, correct. Okay, so over here, in the whole general over here, we are already in this zone. Okay, in the area of this resistance over here. So currently, okay, I'm just waiting for confirmation. I'm just waiting for confirmation before I actually take a trade. Okay, and for myself, okay, over here, right? So I'm waiting for the next H1 opening, so that the next H1 opening will actually give us more confirmation before I enter for a trade, right? When the 1 hour candle closes, mark the 61.8 of the week and see if that holds. So over here, Forex New Way talking about this part here, right? Okay. So over at this area, okay, so the 61.8, let's say the Forex New Way was talking about Fibonacci. Okay, so is the same method that we are talking about, like we discussed yesterday. Am I right? Okay, so you will go for this to the 61.8. Okay, to H1 candle, that area to hold. Okay, so that will be the area of to have a good selling. Okay, if okay, right. Oh, yep, the golden zone. Yes, exactly. All right. So yeah. Okay, so over here, okay, this is the whole area. Okay, the area. Okay, the area that we are going to take a selling, but hang on, because I'm waiting for the next hour to open, and then we will be able to see where the current H1 candle closes, and then we will be able to decide, okay, where will be the selling. Okay, right? Okay. Yeah, correct. Is that so? Okay. Um, yeah. So along the way, yes, the rest are yeah, Hubert. Yes. Okay. So yes, doing the same way. Yeah, we are waiting. Yes. Correct. That's right. Okay, let's put it this way. Okay, let's some was talking about this. Okay, if you are to shift this, okay, this one. Okay, I'm gonna shift this way. Okay, so that all of you can see very clearly what you are looking out for. Okay, so this way, I think it's clearer that way, right? Okay, right? Okay, so yes, correct. Okay, good. Okay, so right now what we are going to do is that be very patient. A lot of you are asking, can we enter right now, and we should be able to grab ultimately. But the thing is that the market is live. Okay, market is live. So market is alive and it's moving, and as it is moving, so it's very difficult for you to actually to gauge and to predict, in a way that the next minute what is going to happen, right? Okay, so I would suggest, is it doesn't make any difference for that 2 minutes, so just hang on with it. That's correct. Okay, yeah. So okay, so just hang on. All right. Okay. All right. Yeah. So just hang on. Okay. It's just that 2 minutes. Doesn't take you any longer than anything like that. Okay. Okay. All right. So yes. Okay, sure, no problem. Okay, so this is something. Okay, yeah, no issue, no issue. Right, where are you from? I do not know how to pronounce your name. I think it's Dihela, correct? Dihela. Dihela? Is that Dihela? Do I pronounce it Dihela? Okay, you're from India. Oh, I see. Okay, thank you very much for coming in. Okay. Yes, we still have. Okay, so what is that? Okay, let me check. Okay, we have about 1 minute to go. Okay, 1 minute, just 1 minute. Right. Yes, now let's go and take a look. What do we have here? Okay, what do we have here? All right, so tentatively, okay, so what we're looking out for right now. Okay, we have this, correct? Okay, so like example, Forex New Way, to do this. Okay, to see if you're correct, if you're okay. Okay, let us show the rest again. Okay. right? Let's show it again, all right, so that it will be once again for revision for everyone. Okay, right. Okay, so over here, yes, for some people you have already are looking out for a selling signal. Yes, a selling entry already. Okay, some of you may already say that this is already a selling entry. Okay, so uh well, okay, what we are looking out for, correct? Selling, I would say that tentatively still we are still, I'm still waiting for a little while more. Okay, I'm still waiting for a little while more. Okay, yes, that's good. Okay, that's okay. Let's put it this way. Okay, I guess over this part here. Okay, when we are looking at this here, okay, the resistance over here, all right, because of the resistance plotted out from this area, correct, this whole area. So over at this point, okay, over at this point over here, okay, we are actually just 1 or 2 minutes at the beginning of this hour, correct, beginning of this hour. So tentatively, okay, tentatively. Okay, I wanted to see that now it looks good. Okay, so another 30 minutes also. Okay, and selling is the is bringing up a resistance, correct? Okay, so M15 for the past 15 minutes over here after retested and coming down. Okay, to test on this. Okay. Right. So I will be looking out for things like this. Whether is this the right time actually to go in first? Okay, to go in first. Okay, so wait. Watch 125, 125. Huh? Watch 125351. If it is broken, we'll look at 125442. 125442. Okay. 125442, 125351 as well. Okay. Okay, so over here, so this is the resistance level that I'm looking out for. Okay, this is one that 12550. Let's take it 12550. Okay, 550 over here. Okay. Okay, let's put it here and let's see what do we have here. Okay, let's see what do we have here. Can you see the whole range of resistance over here? Yeah. So this is the so-called, this is the best part. Okay, right. This Forex New Way. Can I say that? Okay, can I just put it in a very layman? This is the best part to enter or selling trade. Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, let's see. Let's see. This is what I see. Okay, this is what I see. Because okay, there's always a range. Okay, there's always a range over here at this point, whereby the resistance never come in the level as in a very defined area level. Okay, it's always in the range. It's always in the area. Okay, so yeah, this is something that I'll be looking out for. If I want to sell, I always try to sell at the peak. Correct. That's right. Yeah. Hubert, that's right. Okay. Yeah. If you look across, I think the main resistance will come at 125,600. 125,600. 125,600. And 125,600. Okay. So as we can see here. Okay. 125,600 over here. Okay. Yep. 125,600. $125,600. Okay, so over here, okay, so we can see. Okay, let's take a look. So okay, can you see this one, this part here? Okay, right. So we are if we are looking from the H1 perspective here, okay, we can see right this area. Can you see this area? Okay, all the way. Okay. Okay, just hang. Forex Leeway, am I reading the am I reading the same as you as what you are quoted here? Okay, so Hubert, yes, I'm also looking at the same way. Okay. Okay, so you can also see the RSI starting to flatten out on the 1 hour just below the level. Okay. Okay, let me see. Yeah, okay, correct. If it's 50, okay, yeah, you can do it. Yes, guys, you can actually you can actually do it at the RSI at the. You can see that the 50 level. Below. Okay, below. Okay. Okay, so looking at this right now, so that's why I say, well, yeah, hang on first. Yes. Not yet. It's still. I will see that there's still potential for another goal. Okay. Let's see over here. Okay. Sorry, I accidentally adjusted it. Let me see. Okay, let's see. So the 200 period MA on the 1 hour chart. Okay. All right, so right now just pay attention to this level, I would say. Okay. Yeah, hang on. Okay. Okay. Just hang on. Just hang on with this first. Okay. No. Pound dollar, not yet. Not. Let me adjust this a bit. Okay. Change this. All right. Okay. So yep. Let's see. Let's see. Wait. Okay. Testing. On the way, on the way, on the way. Yeah, can you see? Now testing 61 8 of the week. Okay, so when we okay, now testing, what do you mean by okay? Over here, over here, over here. This level, this level. The last hour of the week. Last hour of the week. Okay. Yes, that's correct. Okay. Last hour of the week. Okay. All right. Can sure. Good. All right. So keep it going. All right. So what is that? Euro yen. Okay. Euro yen. No. Euro yen still. No, it's not yet. Still a way to go. Okay. Still a long way to go. All right. So tentatively no. Okay. Right. So pound yen. No. Pound yen. Not yet. Pound yen. I'll be waiting for next 4 hours to open. Okay. Next 4 hours candle to open. Okay. Right. So pound dollar. Hang on. Pound dollar. Hang on. No, not yet. Okay. Testing only. It's testing. Okay. Yes. Christy. Hi, Christy. Where are you from? I'm from where you are from. Wow, that's a good one. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Cracking a laughter in the air. Oh, all right. Okay. Yes. Thank you. All right. Anyway. Oh, thank you for the trade last night. Okay. It's really good profits. Okay. You're welcome. Okay. So, yes. Just follow. Okay. I guess we have a few of us. We have people here in the community to share, and also yeah. So we can pick up some of the tips here of learning what are the tips. I don't mean Forex tips. I mean some of the trading tips that you can learn from. Okay, which can be very helpful to many of you out there. All right. Okay, so I am happy for you. Yes, since you grabbed the profit last night. Okay, that's good. And now we are now testing on. We are going to test. Okay, we are going to test. So pound dollar is pretty near right now. So let's check on others since H1 has already opened. So euro yen, no. Okay, euro yen not yet. Okay, so tentatively. Euro yen, what do I have? Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar not yet as well. So still waiting. I'm still waiting for Aussie dollar to continue to go up and test. Okay, the resistance first before we take action. And also Aussie yen. We are still waiting for it to test. Okay, Sawadee krap, gong xi. Okay, so over here. Right, over here, Aussie franc, not yet as well. Okay, so all the Aussie that I pick up all not yet. Okay, we still have a way to go. Like I say, we maybe like an example, Aussie franc and Aussie dollar, we may need to wait for the second half. Okay, right. So euro yen, not yet. So right now, currently we are still very near to the nearest one will be on the pound dollar. We are still looking at the pound dollar. Pound dollar is still the one that are closest. Okay, for an entry, right? For an entry over here. Okay. Yeah, that's right. Okay. So that's a pound dollar. Okay. Second half of the day for pound dollar, will that be very promising? I would say second half of the day. I would say probably yes. Highly, but it depends on the situation by then. Okay, right? It depends on the situation. If I'm gonna tell you something right now, it's as good as I'm predicting the market. Okay, so I cannot predict. I go with the market. Okay, I will only react. Okay, yeah. You know the word called responsibility and the word called respondability. Okay. All right. For pound dollar. Yeah. Okay. According to daily Fibo, okay, I believe we are at the top right now. Daily Fibo. Let's take a look. Okay. Daily Fibo. We are okay. Oh, yeah, the range, yeah. Okay, the range now. Yes. Now selling, we'll see what happens. Now? Forex new way? Are you sure? Okay. Right now, okay. Selling. Selling right now. Oh, it looks possible. Okay, it looks possible because I will do this. Okay, usually what I do is that I will be lowering down. I'll be lowering down my time frame. Okay, to observe what is going on right now in the market, the reaction. Okay, so usually, okay, we'll look at the reaction. Okay, we'll be able to tell what will be the best, you know, situation for us to sell a trade. Okay, we are I would say that sorry, down a bit. Okay, I'll say right now. Okay, at this point here, okay, this whole range here, okay, the whole range here, right? Okay, 1, 2, 3, yeah, around here, okay, around this range. Okay, it depends on your, okay, the range your range may differ from my range, guys. Okay, why is that so? Is because if you are trading on the different brokers, where brokers are using a different LPs. Okay, so I believe the price that may have slight difference. Okay, so just what should I say? Look out for the way that we are doing it. So you can also plot out the same thing on your chart as well. Okay, all right. So just to remember. Okay. Okay, to find out the key level on the daily candle, take the Fibo from the bottom of the body to the top of the wick, and this will give you the key 61.8. Yep. Okay. So okay. You guys got it? Yeah. Sorry, let me copy the message over. To find out the key level on the daily candle, take the Fibo from the bottom of the body to the top of the wick. Okay. You see that now? Okay, good. All right. Okay, so right now, 61.8. So over here, okay, so over on our side here, okay, Forex New Way, you were talking about taking this daily, okay, daily. On the daily, okay, over here, right, from here, correct, okay, and that is where now we are hitting on the 61.8. Now we are hitting on the 61.8. Am I right, Forex New Way? Okay, yeah, good. So just no, now I'm still waiting for the rejections here. Okay, yesterday candle, yes, yesterday candle here. Okay, this one. Okay, I shall plot it by the side so that you can see this candle where I stop. Okay, right. Okay. Yes. Okay, so that will give us, and when we come back here, okay, currently we are right here, we are on the 61.8. 61.8. Okay. Okay, good. All right. Yes. Okay, so once again, going to eat. Look, what's the time now? Oh yeah, it's your dinner time. Okay. Enjoy your dinner. All right, enjoy your dinner. By the way, do you like sashimi? I like sashimi very much. I miss a sashimi in Japan. Oh, really fresh. Okay. Alright, okay, enjoy your evening, Forex New Way. Thank you for your contribution. Alright, so guys, okay, pound dollar, okay, is something that we'll be looking out for. Okay, so from the area, okay, over here that we have plotted out, okay, earlier on what we are looking at how, okay, however, please be very careful in a way, okay, in a way that this is the last hour from the previous H4 and we are entering into the next H4, okay, coming in. So this is something that we need to pay attention to. So make sure, right, like now, okay, we are actually testing on this level, correct? So we are testing the resistance at this level. So over here, well, I'm looking out for all the time frames to give me a selling signal whereby, okay, I want to see resistance, okay, and from H1 that I have a selling signal, green and red, okay, candles, okay, for simple understanding, right? Green and red candle, a candle pattern over here. Then after that, move down to the last 30 minutes to show that the selling signal as well. Like now 15 minutes is showing, okay, so but it's not that strong yet because of we can see M5, we are in the range of sideways right now, deciding where to go. Okay, so yeah, just give a little bit of time. When we see engulfing candle, and that's where we are going to, we can have a good we can have a selling signal there, then we can enter for a trade. Okay, pound dollar currently is still very near, okay, which is the nearest one that I can see, right? This is the nearest one, the closest one that I can see to enter for a trade now. Okay, the rest still have to wait for it to test on the resistance. Okay, the rest still have to wait for it to test on the resistance before we can take action. Okay, so while waiting, we have our 5 minutes. Can you give me a 5 minutes break? All right, so I will be back in a short while. All right. Okay, thank you guys. I'll be back I'll be back shortly. Okay, let me go and take a cup of drinks. All right, thank you so much. Alright guys, I'm back here with you. Okay, Bradley, Hubert. Okay. Oh, you are saying that pound dollar. Okay. Let's take a look at pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar over here. Right, pound dollar. Let's see. Well, pound dollar over here. Okay. Right now. Okay. As we can see over here, we are testing on the resistance over this area, correct? We are testing on the resistance. Where the resistance come from. Okay, we can see. Okay, over here, right at this point here, as we are actually looking out for this area. Okay. Okay, the left shoulder having out for a right shoulder now. Okay, so let's see. We have a left shoulder now. Okay, so this now we are seems like it's building up on the right shoulder, correct? Okay, so this is yeah, it looks like okay, head and shoulder coming soon. Okay, so right here, so now we are testing on the resistance. If I'm going to lower down, okay, lower down this, sorry, zoom out. Okay, so I'm going to take a look. So this way, okay, over here is also like now over here from this area, as you can see, the resistance of this height. Okay, now it's actually coming down for a lower resistance, right? Okay, so lower resistance over here, and as it goes, another lower resistance, as you can see, coming down another lower resistance from here to here. So after that, it started to swing down. Okay, so right now started to swing from yesterday until now. Okay, so it's a pullback. Okay, so over here, as we can see, all right, that this area, okay, where we are talking about this range, so this is one of the resistance range here that we can see. Okay, from here, okay, this way, okay, this way, this area. So this area of resistance. Now take a look at this. This is the point where we are actually looking out for when it actually has, you can see the previous support tested and break, correct? Previous support has tested and break. So after it tested and break over here, right? So there may be creating another lower resistance once again. Okay, so that may also give us another good chance. Okay, right? So this is something that we can take note of. Okay, so this is what we can see here. All right, so yes. Okay, yeah, just okay, so just take note. All right. Okay. Note of this area. Yeah, take note of this area. So okay, let me check. Another. Okay, hang on. Okay, we are going to now you see, now we are still have 25 minutes to H4 opening, am I right? Okay, we still have H4 opening, right? So H4 opening, okay, over here, okay, we are going to look out for what we are going to see. Okay, that is likely over there. Okay, in this area that we are going to test the whole resistance area until the H4 opens. Okay, when the H4 opens, then we will be able to tell, okay, which area, which level, I would say, okay, which level is the best entry. Okay, of course, the best entry area that will be at the higher the better. Okay, the higher the better. Okay, all right, that will be higher the better, so that we can have a bigger profitable space, and as well as even when it hits on if it really go against us, okay, the stop level will be much lower. All right, okay. Yes, that's right. Correct. Okay. Yes. But it's around this. It's around this region. Okay, it's around this region now. Okay, so just pay attention to that. Right. Euro yen. We are also getting very near, getting nearer and nearer. That's good. Okay, Euro yen getting nearer. Okay, H4. Right. Yeah, Euro yen. We are also getting nearer. Okay, this one. Okay. Well, looks quite potential. Okay, very potential. Okay. Okay. So yes. Okay, guys, you have any questions for me, you can just ask me, or you have anything to share with me, you can also just comment. Okay, right? You can leave a comment below. Right. So and Aussie yen over here as well. Aussie yen. Okay. Aussie yen, no, still a while to go. Not there yet. So we still have quite a while to go to test on the resistance up here. All right. So before we actually can have a chance to continue the selling. All right. So I think Aussie yen very likely. Yeah, I think very likely it should be going up to test on the resistance. Right now there isn't any good one yet. Okay, don't have any good one yet. Okay, right. So Aussie franc, let's see. Aussie franc, we are still going up. Okay, still going. Right. So pound dollar is still going. Yeah, still going, I guess. Let me take a look. Right, pound dollar. Okay, so yes, pound dollar, we are still going. Okay, yeah. So pound dollar right here. Okay, it is still going on this area. Okay, we are just going into this area. So try to wait for it. Okay, because we are into this last hour of H4. Okay, so we are going to cross over to the next H4. So just hang on. Okay, just hang on with it first. Okay, just hang on with it first. Okay, yeah. Okay. Right, so hang on. No, I'm not going to enter now. What is that? Oh, you see, actually, okay, if you are talking about M5, okay, M5 is challenging the peak over here, right? And where is the peak over here? M5. It's actually the H1, the highest price of the H1 here. Correct? So remember just now when I put a crosshair here. Okay. Yeah, so this is where it's actually now testing on. Okay. Just now earlier on it tested once and now it retest. Okay, when I say retest, you look at M5. Okay, M5. Okay, can you see M5 here? All right. So over here we have M5 over here. Okay, this is the area whereby this area, if it's maintaining within this area, okay, it will become a resistance, correct? It become a resistance. Am I right? Okay, so this one. Okay, let me see. The high is 376. All right. Okay. 76. Here. Okay, 376. Right. So now we have a resistance here, correct? Okay, over here, this range. Okay. So let's look at this. Okay, now started to retest this top here. Will it be like a double top? Okay, right. So whether will it break away? Now you look at it. If it's breaking away from this double top here, where the double top is not being formed, that means to say currently it is not a good time to sell. Okay, so no. Okay, no way. Right, no way. Okay, yeah, so yes, that's that exactly. Okay, so exactly, so just hang on first. Okay, we are still waiting for H4 opening. So just wait for H4 opening first, right? So we are just waiting. Okay, waiting for this H4 to open. Okay, and H1 is still testing on this resistance area. Okay, when it breaks or later on when it started to retrace downwards but rejected, okay, it will show you a rejections. Okay, and this the last hour rejections is not very good yet. Okay, as I always do from the peak. Okay, from the peak of the price, I measure down to the top of the real body. Okay, that will be 8 pips. And from the body, go down to bottom, even 11 pips. So buying volume is still quite strong there, correct? Okay, so tentatively, no way, right? No. So hang on first, hang on first. Okay, so same thing, H4, when we come to H4, it is on the testing. It's on the testing. So we are looking for candles like this. Okay, example like this. Okay, kind of rejections. Okay, we tested up and then rejected down. Okay, like this, tested. Okay, and come down. Okay, like this. Okay, we're all looking for shooting star now. Okay, basically we're looking for shooting star. So tentatively, we are very like I always come near to the H4 opening. Okay, so I always pay close attention, whereby I don't want to take a trade right now after when it touch. Okay, so just hang on. Okay, unless there are certain situations that there will be like say there were rejections now, you know, it got rejected from the green to become a red, you know, from buying to selling. Of course, that's a kind of a strong selling, a spike there. Okay, so probably there will that may be a good one to sell. Okay, so tentatively, no, not yet. Okay, so I'm still waiting for the next hour. Next hour, highly possible. Okay, highly possible, so that we can sell. And by looking at this, okay, this level, okay, in this level to sell, all right, so to say, okay, I'm not going to put at the top of, let's say, over here. So probably, okay, I'll be looking out for the selling for about 15, 12, 15. Let's make it 20, so I will have a 40 to 50 pips to go. Okay, 40 pips to 50 pips of profit. Okay, profitable space, right? Profitable space. So I guess pound dollar is now very close to entry, but not yet. Okay, as we are getting closer, the urge of entry is getting stronger. Am I right? It's a human nature, just like when you're so urgent and you're looking out for a toilet, you know, as you're getting to a toilet, nearer to a toilet, the urge is getting stronger. Am I right? Okay. Yeah. So please hang on. Please hang on with that. Okay. All right. So yeah. Okay. So please hang on. Okay. So that we don't just enter for a trade for nothing. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah. Oh, wait. Okay, just wait. Hang on. Okay, so you see M5. Okay, M5. It seems like the bull started to land, right? The candle started to get smaller and smaller. This is a sign of the ending of the bull. Okay, it's the ending of the bull, right? So just be patient. All right. Okay, we have another 15 minutes to go. Okay, another 15 minutes. One more. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I know that. Okay. Just wait. Okay, just wait. Okay, now we are entering into the level, correct? We're entering into the level. Okay, let's see. We're entering into the level now. Okay, so I'm waiting to see. Okay, I'm waiting to see things to happen. Okay, so another 50 minutes. Another 15 minutes. Okay, will there be a chance that it's an empty wait? Empty wait. Okay, will there be a chance? I would say yes. There still have a we'll still have a chance that you know, it will become an empty wait. Okay. Why is that? You know, if it really just break above, okay, resistance, then means gone. Right? That means it's gone. So once it's gone, don't chase or don't feel sorry about it and started to have some emotion, trading. Okay, then in the end, it makes you, it makes your trading so confused. Okay, right? Yes. Okay. I hope you will like my lousy jokes. Okay. Right. So, okay. So that's we have another about 10 minutes to go. Right. So just hang on with that. 10 minutes to go. All right. Yep. Okay. So just wait. All right. Just hang on. So that's why I think just now Forex New Way has actually give us a hint that if anyone want to sell now, okay, all right. So just now he was saying to say, let me, I can't remember the exact words. Okay, he was saying that now selling will see what happens. Now selling will see what happens. Okay, usually, okay, things like this that happen. Okay, seller will start to sell. A lot of retail will start to sell when it touches the candle, testing, and then and people will just get so eager and just jump into a trade. Okay, and that is where it will start to, okay, it will start to wipe it out. Then it will then turn back to where it should be, right? So that's why we must understand some of the fundamentals here, some of the trick. Okay, that now we are trading very near to the H4 opening, so I guess it will be good. Okay, it will be still good that we just be patient, and patient really pays. Okay, so just hang on, and later we will see. Okay, where this where the H4, how the H4 opens, where does it open? Okay, so then we will decide where to go. Okay, right. Okay, so any point, yes, correct, any point within the range here. Okay, within the range here, yes, when there's a range of H4, if H4 opens within this range, okay, I will consider to have an entry there. Okay, I will consider to have entry here. So now the nearest currency pairs for a selling entry is pound dollar. It's pound dollar. Okay, like I earlier on I said, the pound dollar we are looking out for a selling, but maybe on the second half of the day. It may be on the second half of the day. All right. Okay. If I have already entered a trade and now I'm holding for 15 pips losses, what should I do? 15 pips losses. Okay, so 15 pips losses basically it's not a lot. Okay, I mean basically to me, okay, it's not a lot. Okay, I would say that we have about 10 minutes to go, right? So just endure a little bit. Let's see how the H4 opens, then we decide what to do with it. Okay, right? So what is your TP level? Right, so we'll just wait for Leonard to reply. Okay, right, so over here, okay, and as I see, okay, we are now in this range, okay, this range of a resistance, okay. I'll make it nicer, okay, this way, so that all of you can have a clearer picture of how it goes, okay. Right, so now it still continue to escalate, correct? Okay. So right now, as you can see in H1, okay, just now we were testing on this week, right? So the week has now been tested and now price is going higher. Okay, so now price is going higher than the previous hour. So things like this, we are looking at things like, price is going higher up now. Okay, so what's next to go is that we are actually looking out that this may continue to go and test on the higher resistance because of the strong buying signal over here. Okay, the volume for buying, the buying volume is actually quite strong right now. Okay, so tentatively by looking at this here, right, so we have about another 16 pips, 16. Okay, that will really test on the previous support that become a resistance. Okay, so from there, then after that, we look out where to have a good entry. For example, then we hit on the resistance. Okay, then after that in M5 probably we have a double top after retesting again or a lower resistance. Okay, then that will give us a good signal to enter for a trade. Okay, right. So these are the some little details that we need to pay attention to so that we will not miss out and then just enter a trade for just emotionally, wow, happily, okay, now testing on the resistance, now I'm going to come in a trade. Okay, no, okay, please don't do that, huh? Okay, so yes, just hang on with that, okay, so that we know, okay, so that we know that in this area, okay, where will it continue to go, right? Okay, let's see that for the zoom here, and now, okay. Pound dollar. The pound looks very strong to me right now. Pound is actually going strong right now. Okay, that's good. We have 6 minutes to go, guys. Okay, just hang on with me. 6 minutes to go, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, before we take any action, right? Would that be a good chance for this? Okay, depends. Okay. It depends on the H4 opening, then we'll be able to tell what's the situation there, right? Okay. Do you always wait while you are trading? I always wait. You are right. Okay. Yes, I always wait. The reason behind I always wait is because, okay, I'm always waiting for the correct situation. Okay, that the conditions of the market that fits into my trading structure, then I will decide whether to enter for a trade. 1255.05 is so strong. 1255.05 is so strong. Let me take a look. 1255.05 is very strong here. Okay, so 1255.5 around here. Okay. George was saying that 1255.05 is very strong here. Okay. Right here. Okay. Why do you say so? Over here, because of the resistance. As we George, would you like to share with us your view? Okay, while waiting for you, I share with you my view as well. Okay. As we can see in H1 over here, all right, so shrink down a little bit. Okay, we can see the previous resistance. Okay, that now the support over here has also become a resistance as well. So this is the part. This is the point here. Okay, this is the point that actually we can pay attention to. Okay, so this is good. All right. So this is where somewhere okay we can take a look. This is where it should be. Okay, not bad, not bad. Okay. So this range, yeah, this whole range. Okay, range here. Okay, this range is actually very strong. So hopefully, okay, hopefully, all right. Okay, let's put it this way. Hopefully, it just give a push, tested, and rejected. The next candle open started to retrace downward all the way. Do you think so? Okay. Well, probably right. Highly possible. Okay. George, are you also waiting for this 125505? 125505. Okay. Seems like we are getting nearer. Okay. Seems like we are getting nearer. And we are waiting for rejections. Okay, seems like the rejection is coming also very soon. We are getting nearer to 5505. So right now, pound dollar, right? Pound dollar coming soon. It's coming very. Let's take a look. I think pound dollar after the honkish movement over here. Okay, there's a over here. So for the past 3 hours, it was so strong. Okay, and I love this kind of candle. I love this kind of movement. The moment when they start selling, okay, then to me over here by reading this, not many support. So there will be another selling trend coming back here again to retest. Alright. Okay, so this one looks good over here. So just take a look. Okay, now it's falling backward down with the resistance that we plotted earlier on. Okay. Okay. George, is it time for you to take a rest? Probably you can take a rest after an entry, and when you wake up, oh, you have taken your profits. Okay. I wish that will happen to you today. All right. Okay, so that tomorrow you have a very refreshing day. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right, and yes. Okay, let's take a look now. 1 minute to go. Right, and we are very close to it. Good. We have let's take a look at this now. Right, what do we have here? Okay, let me refresh all the time frame once again to read again. Okay, so what we are now looking at is that there's a rejections now over here. Now we are testing on the resistance, right? Okay, the resistance. Okay, and over here looks like now candle open below the resistance. Looks good on this H4 opening. Now H4 opening right now. Okay, it's looking good for me. Okay, right, looking good for me over here. H1 now good. Now looking at the past 30 minutes and the rejections is also quite clear. It's clearer. M15 is also getting clearer now. Right. So will there be any point of time that will there form us let me see this way. Okay. Over here, okay, in M5, okay, because now tested the resistance and it got rejected down. Okay, yes, although it got rejected down right now, I will be waiting for another retesting of the. I'm waiting for the retesting for the resistance. Okay, one way retesting of the resistance. So that means to say it may come down first. Okay, then I want to retest the resistance without breaking once again. Then I will start selling. Okay, then I will start selling. All right. Okay. So over here at this time, okay, what we will be looking at over at this point, right? So we are still waiting. Okay, still waiting for it. And before we actually take action on this, okay, pound dollar. So just hang on. All right, just hang on with that. Okay. Good. Yes, nice. Okay. All right. So that's cool. Yes, Hubert. All right. Yes, I think it's pretty good. Yeah. But the thing is that over here, okay. Oh no. Now it's just the beginning. Okay, it is just only the beginning. Right. So hang on with that first. Okay, hang on with that. Okay. Yes, that's right. Okay. Okay, so as we can see over here, right? So right now, not the right time yet. So just hang on. Okay, we just hang on for a little while. Okay. Yes. Yes. Correct. Okay. Okay, just hang on. Just hang on. Hang on for a little while. Hang on for a little while because over here, okay, as we can see, all right. Right over here, we are actually looking out for a lower resistance to form. Okay, and sorry. Okay, so over here, lower resistance created. Am I right? Okay, so lower resistance created over here, a lower from the top. Yes, and now going for lower resistance, another lower resistance over here, then coming again downwards. All right. So over here, when it comes downwards over here, this point, there's another lower resistance coming along, correct? So after that, it has a big selling downwards. So there's a big selling downwards over here. After the big selling downwards over here, and we have a retesting, now coming back for a buy. So very likely the situation here, it can be another way of looking at it that you can see that this is actually now moving in a way to recover the losses over here. Am I right? Okay, there's a recovering action over here. So basically, this is something that we should pay attention to. Okay, so right now, okay, we are looking at this pound dollar. Okay, so there will be a chance of selling. Just a while to confirm before we start selling. Right. So now let's move again since H4 has already opened. So Euro Yen. Let's take a look at Euro Yen over here. Right. Euro Yen. So Euro Yen. Now let's take a look Euro Yen. Euro Yen. We are now still waiting for it to go and test the resistance. Still testing the resistance. But however, if you look carefully over here, we are forming up a double top. Can you see a double top up here? Right. Let me shift this. Okay. Okay. Now, double top up here. Right. So there's a double top up here. Correct. Okay. So we have a double top. So put this in, and I'm going to do this. So for example, this double top up here. Okay. So this is the 971 138,971. Okay, 971 is here. So it has not break out. So Euro Yen, Euro yen, okay, is now in the double top. Okay, so right now let's check on this Euro yen instead of a pound dollar. Now we have a Euro yen. It's getting better for us. Euro yen, okay, Euro yen is getting better for us. Okay, so that's something that okay we are now we are now going through. Okay, so Euro yen is also another one that we are looking out for. So Euro yen, yes. Euro yen, Euro yen. Okay, so Euro yen over here. Let's take a look. We have from current situation now. We have about another 6, 20, 33, about 23, 6, 6, 27, about 25. Okay, let's put it that way. 25. Okay, we have about 25 to go. Right, 25. Right, 25. Yeah. So yeah, yes we can try. Okay, yeah, we can try out the 25. Yes. Okay, so 25. Okay. Okay, 25 is quite good. Okay, over here, right, for this euro yen. Okay, euro yen 25. Okay, so next to go, let's take a look at the Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar, right, Aussie dollar here. Right, Aussie dollar, let's take a look. Aussie dollar, right, Aussie dollar, let's take a look over here. Okay, thank you so much for your subscription, guys. Thank you. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can share and be nice to everyone in the community, so that we can learn together, trade together, and make profit together, right? And okay, so yeah, this is a community that building up. Okay, so just share around. Okay, all right. So Aussie dollar over here, we are also very near to this resistance, but no, I will still say that no yet. Okay, it's on this it's going to slow down around in this area. Okay, but the range is still there. Okay, the range is still there. All right, so that's basically I think probably we still have to wait for a while. Okay, so how about Aussie yen? That we're also looking at Aussie yen. Okay, Aussie yen, we are also moving into Aussie yen now. Aussie yen, the resistance is up there. Okay, so we are still around this area. Okay, so same thing, Aussie yen is also very near. Okay, near to forming up a double top here. Okay, so just hang on. Okay, I will say that currently we are still waiting for opportunity. Okay, do this. Okay, this one we have gone. Okay, so I changed a little bit. Yeah. Okay, so over here. Okay, what do we have here? Aha. Okay. Right. So that's okay. That's the estimation here. Estimation. Later you all go and plot the peak price. Okay. Plot the peak price. Okay. Plot out the peak. Okay. So right now still no. Still we are still working on. No, not yet. Okay. Not yet. Aussie franc looks good as well. Aussie franc. Now we have retested on the resistance. Aussie franc. Okay, Aussie franc is another one that looking good. Okay, Aussie franc. So this is something that we should be looking out for as well. Okay, but Aussie franc once again. Okay, just head up. Okay, we are now going to we are now. It seems like we are going to form up one nicely done up for this head and shoulder, as you can see over here. All right. So tentatively, let's just wait for it to appear. Okay, just wait for it to appear. Okay, right. Good. Okay. So yep. Hang hang on. Yes. Okay, great. Okay. I think that's pretty good. Okay. Alright, pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Let's take a look. Pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar over here. Alright, pound dollar. We are still hovering around. We are now about 11 minutes away. Alright, 11 minutes away. So tentatively, pound dollar. Like I say, I'm waiting for it to retest. Okay, retesting. And also, if you can see that we are actually coming one round, coming ahead. And now probably the right shoulder coming along. So once the right, if really come back as a head and shoulder over here, you guys know what to do. Okay, right? Do you guys know what to do over here? Okay. So yeah. Okay, so if you can see, okay, there's one little small one over here. Okay. So this one, okay, as we can see, yes, okay, Bradley. Okay, good. So over here, okay, once coming in, all right, after it has completed the head and shoulder, okay, it breaks over, then retest again the selling signal, another selling signal will be, okay, another selling signal will be in, right? Does it now consider as a retesting of the resistance? As I see that right now, all testing. Let me check the volume, okay? Okay, yes, over here, retesting is ongoing. Okay, retesting is ongoing now. Okay, yes, retesting is ongoing. Okay, retesting is ongoing. Okay, yeah. Euro yen. Okay, Euro yen. Okay, Euro yen. Okay, Euro yen. Now 20. Okay, right. So you got it. You got 7. Got 10. Okay, good. Aiden 20. Okay, congratulations. That's good. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Okay, that's good. All right. Okay. Very good. Okay, so for Euro Yen, okay, what we are going to do is that since you have taken your profits for Euro Yen, okay, so where else? Hubert, okay, you also taken your profits, okay, good. 101, you also got your profit, okay. TP, okay, that's good. 20 also, all right, that's good. Okay, so waiting for the double top. For the double top with another okay, so I got you. Okay, so basically you are not grabbing about 20, you are not grabbing about 30, but instead of 30 you are grabbing about 20, like Aiden over here, right? Okay, good, that's good, right? Okay, so what else? Euro dollar basically no for me. Euro dollar not really for me because right now by looking at this euro dollar, okay, with this support over here is not very comfortable. Okay, not very comfortable for me. Okay, but selling is possible. Okay, with some pullbacks. So yeah, you will be trading on the pullbacks. Okay, you will be trading on a pullback. Okay, so no. Okay, so yep. Right, so pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Oh, pound yen. Oh, sorry. Okay, pound yen. Okay, so Pound Yen, once again, let's take a look Pound Yen. Pound Yen actually entering into this range of the resistance. Okay, the range of the resistance. So right now is 1-2 double top. You mean? Okay. So from here. Okay, yes, I guess we over here, huh? Oh, is it Pound Yen? Oh, okay, it's Pound Yen, huh? Okay. Alright, so Pound Yen, okay. Right now you are actually running on the 14. Okay, so can I estimate it should be around here? What you're running for? Running for 50? Do you mean 50? Yeah. So now I can only say that probably next hour. Okay, next hour. Okay, next hour. Yeah, it will be next. I will be looking at for the next hour before. Yeah. Okay. So, okay, like now pound dollar like this. Okay. Pound dollar. Okay, looking at this pound dollar like this. We are actually looking at this point whereby the resistance up there. Okay, we are into the resistance range, right? Okay, the range of resistance over here. All right. Okay, I think this is quite also quite good. Okay, so what? Oh, M5. Okay, M5. Okay, M5 currently. By looking at this right now, I would say that because the double top did not manage to form up. Am I right? So this is the resistance whereby the resistance is actually trying. I'm trying to wait for the retesting. Okay, the retesting of the resistance, so that it will comes back in the way of you can show you the head and shoulder over this area. Okay, then I will start to sell after it breaks here with a retest, and I will shoot. Okay. True, that's right. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay, so once again, okay, let's look at this pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar, we are still in the range. Okay, we are now back into the range of this resistance right now. So 12550. Okay, 12550 is still promising. Okay, by looking at this, it's still very promising that we are going to towards the resistance. All right, so once again, it's testing on the last hour highest price, whether it will break. If it's going to break higher, okay, it's looking that going to test on the resistance. Okay, so at this point, we still have to pay attention to. Okay, without anybody take a trade in pound dollar. Anybody take a trade in the pound dollar now? Okay, let's see. Nobody? Any response? Okay. Okay. Not yet. No. 没有. Okay. All right. Yeah. So yeah. That's good. Just hang on. Not yet. D. Okay. Thank you for the response. Okay. So Yes, so right now I am still waiting patiently. Okay, still waiting patiently. Okay, so to see after it has actually to start to resist downwards, and then we will see how it goes. Whether will it actually give us a better chance, okay, to enter for any trades like this, okay? Because looking at this pound dollar, okay, today, this pound dollar is actually recovering. It seems like it's going to recover the losses here by looking at currently this 4 hours candle. Okay, this 4 hour candle. Because of this 4 hour candle, let me zoom in. Okay, this 4 hour candle is still testing on the H4 resistance here. Correct? Okay. This 4 hour candle. Can you see? Okay, we are still testing on the resistance, testing the resistance, testing the resistance. As we are testing on the resistance, okay, as we are testing on the resistance, we need to observe one thing in the lower time frame, like example H1. Okay, of course H1 is still not very low. Okay, we can go down to like say M5. Okay, okay, example like this. Is there a higher support towards our in the range? Okay, so in H1, okay, let's see. No, sorry, you go to H4 first. Okay, so basically, we are testing on the last H4 highest price, the highest price of the last H4 candle, right? Okay, so in this case, right now as we are testing on it, okay, we are also it's also telling us that there's also a signal that we have not reached the peak of the range. We have not reached to the peak of the range. So if we lower down, will it continue or will it stop? Okay, let's see. For the new H4 hour, 1, 2, 3, that's 3 hours, a spike over here, and you can see candles start to reduce, the volume start to reduce, shorter, smaller. Okay, just put it in a layman term. I'm not going to pull out any extra indicators here to confuse anyone out there, all right? So just put it in a very simple understanding as a layman here. Candle getting shorter, rejection candle getting longer, okay, something like this, all right? So, all right, it's a sign of the bullish spike here is getting, the bull is getting tired. The bull is getting tired, okay, right? So it may also cause it may test on the resistance, then after that it may take a break to slide down to retest the bottom of the resistance. Okay, let's call this the bottom first. Okay, so it may take a break, or perhaps it will just swing down, continue to go further down, right? Okay, so the recovering, so just now I was saying that the recovering, okay, now in the market there are plenty of traders will be looking out for price to enter a selling at this point, all right, this point, okay, at this point around here, okay, around this area, because of the theory, previous support has become resistant. Okay, so at this point, then we also need to understand this is the bullish, this is the bearish selling down. So pound dollar is actually trying to recover. It's trying to recover the losses over here yesterday, right? So will they be able to recover it successfully, or perhaps they will come down, okay, to look out for another support level, or like say in retail theory again, okay, this area, okay, of previous resistance become a support. So we have about 47 pips that it will retrace downwards, then tomorrow it will go even higher up. So over here it's taking this is very hawkish, right? Okay, so over here this way it may take a break, then it will continue the high, correct? Okay, there are possibility like this, so we must have the responsibility to see, okay, to respond to what is going to happen. That's why patience really needs, okay, when such a situation is here. whether it's going to reject down on the next H4 hours, you know, when this whole of H4 now, right now, okay, people who are in UK right now, all right, people who are in the US, you are still sleeping, UK, you are going for your lunch. So do you see that a lot of all these this is the time lapse. This is time lapse where volume may be under consolidation or low or slow, and after that it will start again when the US markets, right, when the Europeans come back from the lunch. Okay, let's put it that way. I mean, I'm just putting it in a very lifestyle way. Okay, so that we will be able to see, okay, why this happens, you know. Okay, so yeah, so let's see. Okay, in this case over here, right, so now we are testing above the previous high over here, correct? We are testing above the previous high, so very likely we are going to test on the resistance higher up again, right? So yes, this that is the case, hang on first. Okay, so just hang on with that first. Okay, earlier on, just now, as I mentioned to who is that? Leonard? Is it Leonard or someone was telling me if I have already entered and have a 15 pips losses of a pound dollar? Is that someone? I remember vaguely, but I cannot see the message anymore. Okay, so just let me know if you are still there. Okay, right. Okay. While waiting, okay, just let me have a sip. Okay, Euro yen, okay, Euro yen, yes, Euro yen. Okay, so Euro yen, okay, over here, Euro yen, we are having a pullback now. Okay, we are having a pullback. Okay, let's see. So that pullback over here, and let's take a look. Right, so I'm looking at entering at this for another stop. I don't see a need for that. What is that? I didn't know there's a function like this. Okay. Right. Okay, so anyway, yeah. Okay, so no. I think Euro yen is now creating a lower resistance. Yes, correct. Okay, but I don't see there's a need to scalp it. Okay, so I see that I guess it's next hour. Okay, next hour. Okay, next hour. Right. Pound dollar, yes, pound dollar. What's that? If the current H4 candle rejected from the previous high of the H4 candle, will it still constitute as a breaking out of the previous high? Tentatively, if you are looking at this price here, okay, the price indeed is higher than the previous hour. It is indeed still higher than the previous hour. Okay, right? Yeah, that's right. Okay. Yes, and okay, so over in the pound dollar, okay, pound dollar. Hang on. Okay. Drop is coming. Yeah, that's what I always say, right? Okay. That's what I always say, huh? I guess for pound dollar, probably I'm looking at the consolidation now. Okay, so I guess very likely it should be in the next hour, so that the next hour will be much clearer. Okay, it'll be so much clearer there. Okay. That's right, that's right. Okay, so yeah, we still have about 30 minutes to go. All right, 30 minutes to go. Yes, okay, right. Okay, so guys, we just newly come across my YouTube channel. Okay, I would like to invite you to into my YouTube channel, subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that we can actually share around our views. Okay, in this trading. All right. So during the live session, okay, with a lot of people, a lot of experts out there, I believe. So we are creating a very harmony community. Okay, so be polite to everyone while sharing. We take turns. Okay, we also can contribute to every topics here, right? Okay, so although we have different platforms, okay, we have different platforms over here, but nevertheless, I will still read out your messages. Okay, right? Okay, so I'm just making use of this technology and the tech world right now to pull everyone together. Okay, so that we will be able to make new friends in the Forex industry. All right, and encourage each other. All right, so we have a positive energy over in this channel here. Huh? All right. Okay. Yes, I see you dancing. Okay, we have Zoom. Okay, we have Zoom. We have YouTube's. Okay, a few channel of YouTube's, Facebook, IG. All right. All right. So nevertheless, okay. So yeah. Okay. So we are still hoping to have more. Okay, to have more traders coming in. Okay, to share. Right. Yes, power dollar is rising, pushing up. This push is very near to what you are talking about. What you are talking. Well, let me see. Yes, we are very near. Again, yes, that is correct. Okay, we are so near. All right. So let's take a look. Okay. We are getting nearer and nearer. All right, nearer and nearer. Yeah. Don't you feel tired talking every day? Don't you feel tired eating every day? Well, okay. Topics, positive topics will always give a spurt up. So I think it's still very good. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Pao Yen. Pao Yen. Okay, Pao Yen, we are on the double top. Selling down of Pao Yen. Okay. Yes. Right now, is this a head and shoulder? Is this a head and shoulder? All this. This is this part, right? You are talking about this part. Correct, huh? Hang on. Then this is the left shoulder moving up the head, and we're on the neckline now. Okay, now we're on the neckline. So once we break the neckline, we test again. Okay, then it's a good time to sell. So very likely I'm looking out for another about 70. 70 of 25 is 70. So 20 is 14, 5 is about 18, 50, 70 about 50, right? 50, 50 pips of profitable space. 50 of a profitable space, right? Why don't you grab the full 70? Okay, why don't I grab the full 70? Okay, yes. Okay, let me explain, although I've explained it before, but probably you are new. Okay, so to me, a support level is like a burning ground. Okay, so there'll be a flame burning up, right? Heats travel up, correct? So as the price go nearer and nearer to the support, to the burning ground, you may feel the heats already. Okay, you may already feel the heats. Okay, you may already feel the heat. So if you already feel the heats, that means the burning is coming. Correct? yes, maybe you're a fireman, dash in and break it. Okay, probably there be a chance. But for me as a conservative one, okay, because I'm guiding a lot of there's a lot of beginner out here. Okay, so beginner down here, so I would prefer that once you go, okay, we give a 25% from here, from the support, 25% all the way up, like say 70. So I give a 25% buffer over here. So from this 70 to about 50 will be about the 75%. So you will grab this range. Okay, then from there you will start to feel the hits. Okay, you may feel the hits there. Okay, so when you feel the heat, that means some rejections, although just like when you touch the fire, oh, you rejected, correct, you rejected your finger. Okay, of course you don't call that rejected, you call that retract. Okay. All right, so yeah, so that's fundamental. Okay, that's my theory. Okay, that's my theory. You don't have to follow, but I'm just explaining. Okay, I'm just explaining why I have a 25%. I have a 25% from the support. Okay, all right. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this crazy philosophy from me. Okay, may not be right. You don't have to agree with me. Okay. 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 So yeah. So I don't. Yeah. So okay. Just take and go. When you have set a plan there. Okay. Once it hits there. Okay. Get out of the trade, so that you will not get yourself burned. Okay, you will not get yourself burned. Okay. Okay, so I think this is why I always place a 25% from the burning ground. The flames is up there, right? Okay, so pound yen, that's a pound yen, all right? So yes, there's an come back here in the pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar seems like we are getting a rejections from the 5.12554, right? Okay, so somewhere there. So yes, okay, I think this is a bit slow, getting slower. Rejection is getting stronger. Okay, I think rejection is getting stronger and stronger, which is good. Okay, which is something that I'm looking out for. All right, so yes, for pound dollar, okay, pound dollar. As we can see, pound dollar right now is actually from this wave. Okay, for this wave is actually moving upwards of a higher support, higher highs, sorry, higher lows, creating higher highs, higher lows, creating over here, higher lows, creating higher high, higher lows, creating higher high. Correct? Okay, so now from the high is actually creating a lower low with lower highs. Okay, and this wave moving upwards once again, but it's still within the range. So now coming back for a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower lows. Now it's changing the trading pattern. The trading pattern has from here has already started to change from here, right? Okay, started to change. So it started to change. Okay, we talk about trading pattern first. Okay, we talk about the pattern. All right. Yes. Sorry. Okay. Pound dollar. We are talking about pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Okay, so pound dollar. We are talking about the trading pattern. Okay, trading pattern over here. Okay, trading pattern over here. As you can see, now we are having a lower low. Okay, lower highs, lower low, lower highs, lower low. Okay, so now creating lower highs, lower low. So this pullback, okay, over here we have a double bottom. Okay, most of the time, a lot of people will be thinking that there's a double bottom. Is that a change of a direction? Okay, a change of a direction, or you call it a reversal. I would say yes, it's a reversal. Okay, it's a reversal at this H1 condition. H1 situation, right? So it's just like over the top here, we have a double top over here, and it started to reverse, downwards. But in order to see whether is it a reversal or a retracement, okay, a pullback, I mean, okay. And then in the whole of the general trend, it is still going on a selling, okay, for this wave here, okay, on this part here. So if you can see, okay, over here we are creating lower lows, and now with a double top, double bottom, and we are starting to have a pullback. A pullback over here is mainly because of the losses here, okay, the losses here. So with these losses here, okay, they are trying to recover the losses. Once again, let's take a look. Okay, like example here, there's a losses here. They are also trying to recover the losses but failed. Okay, so now there's a gain. There's a losses here, but now they are trying to recover, but they have recovered the losses, but the gain has been erased after that. Why? Is it because it's creating a lower resistance that give us a chart of a selling chart? Okay, a selling chart. So a selling charting, yes. Okay, a selling charting, yes. All right. So a lot of time that now we are looking at the trend. Right now we are on the selling. Okay, we are on the selling. So selling charting over here, which is good for us. Okay, of course we are sellers. Then look out for the situation. Look out for the situation. Okay, then we decide whether this is this double bottom, is it a reversal or is just a pullback to form a lower resistance, so that it will continue the selling. Okay, continue the selling for about 70 pips, 70. Okay, but of course 70 will it continue to break. Okay, I will say that over here when you see a lower resistance on theory, all right, once again on theory, when you have a lower resistance, usually it comes along with lower lows. Right, so example like this, lower low, correct, because of a lower resistance over here, correct. So now create a lower resistance, creating a lower lows, another lower resistance, lower lows, correct. Okay, over here this range now coming down here. There will be a point of time where this is called trending market. So and you see such a part like this is a trading market, correct. So trading market can stop. It will stop for a while. That means a pause. Okay, it won't be trading downwards all the way. Just like you having a jog, after 1 or 2 kilometers, probably you will need to have a pause. If you're a marathon runner, 5 or 10 kilometers, you have a pause, correct? So probably this pause, how to identify the pause here, right? So there will be something like some setups, then like let me see, the trading market trading down, double bottom stop. Okay, so this is a kind of signal that stop. It has stopped the trending. Stop the trending. So later on over here, another H1 will start to swing down and pull back, and then lower resistance coming again to swing down again, pull back and coming down again, pull back and coming down again. So trading market regains over here. Okay, things like this, it will happen. Okay, things like this, it will happen. So basically, okay, when you are trading a downward trend, you have to identify that current situation. Like say in the beginning of the downward trend, how does it look like? How it behave? What's the behavior that it will start to reverse? Okay, then what is the behavior that what are the behaviors that we should be looking out for? Okay, when it started to have a trending market. Okay, all this we have to understand. When we understand all this, right, it will be good for you to enter a trade, hold a trade for more profits, know when to exit for a trade. All these are very important. Okay, just that I will just use a very simple strategy: support, resistance. Okay, some pullbacks. Okay, and some sharing from Fibo. Okay, and also some other other factors, okay, that we're taking into consideration before we enter for trades. Okay, some like big selling, okay, rejections or something, things like this happens. All right, so all these constitute to entry, holding, and exit. Okay, yes, correct. I prefer to grab a 5 pips. I prefer to grab a 5 pips, exactly, correct. But of course, that's my personal preference. Okay, that's my personal preference. It doesn't mean that you have to grab the 5 pips with me. Okay, all right. So my personal preference, I grab a 5 and I go. Okay, all right. Because I guess it's a bit different. Okay, like say we have people we have very big lot size. They prefer to go only 3 pips, 5 pips, a very super scalping. Okay, but that makes them a millionaire as well. Okay, you know them in this group. Okay, so and over here we also have small lot size, and we are going to pull for a lot of pips. Is because we want to work out the dollar value, correct? Okay, it's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong, and there's no standard risk management. Okay, there's no standard risk management. Okay, in school, right? In school, I learned, not I learned. Okay, we learned. Okay, right? What is a formula to set up the risk management of all these things? But when it comes to the real world, it doesn't work. Okay, all right. Okay, personally, I think that it don't work. Okay, personally, I don't think it don't work. Okay, because I see that I see it in a way that when you are talking about risk management, it's also talking about who are you? You know? Okay, who am I? Right, who am I? The level of risk that I can take, it may be differs from yours. Correct? It may be different from yours. So it differs from individual to individual. So it's very different. Right, so bear that in mind, guys. All right, perhaps you can hold up 100 pips of losses, and you end of the day you can still get a TP. Okay, that is the risk appetite, and I can only hold up for about 15 to 20. That is my low risk appetite. You get what I mean? Okay, so don't bother about any risk management, blah blah here, blah blah there. Okay, but what we are going to focus very into the risk management. Firstly, know yourself first. Okay, know yourself which level from your deposit and which level of the losses that is surfacing you are able to accept comfortably and not affecting your emotions and your rationale in the next trade that you are going to enter. Okay, that is very important. So that will become a very good risk management for yourself. Okay, all right. So as we can see, all right, over here, pound dollar is still not yet. As we can see, pound dollar, the low resistance here, it breaks out. Okay, this is what I meant over here. Now it's coming back to retest the resistance as a support. Okay, right now it's coming here to retest the resistance as a support. So previously, just now, I don't know who has I've forgotten. Is it Leonard or someone? She told me that what if you have already entered and you're suffering from a 15 pips losses, 1.5. Okay, 15. Okay, 1.5. So now this is the idea that I will be looking out for, like in terms of chart patterns. Okay, now it breaks above the resistance area. Okay, now it retraces downwards to retest the resistance as a support. Then red candle, green candle, buying candle is coming up. Correct? This is a stop signal. Okay, this is a stop signal. All right, you will do this. Okay, not you will. I will do this. Okay, I will do this. Okay, I will do this to to tell me where is my stop. All right. Okay, but of course, if you enter right below here when you are so near to the support, you cannot do this anymore. Okay, this is what I learned from the YouTube. Okay, from Eric, and okay, I'm gonna wait for it to retrace upwards about 40, 50, 60. Okay, then it comes back here, then I stop. Wow, that's 60 pips. Okay, all right. Okay, so okay, if this is 60, but the support you only have 9 pips, so you're grabbing 9 or 5. This is not logical, am I right? Okay. This is definitely not logical. So when I talk about this part here, right, it's because when we enter, that's why all of us, we have not entered. We are still here hovering, we are still paying a lot of patience, right, just to wait for a rejections from the resistance. Then we start trading, correct? So if we have already entered here, let's say a wrong trade or an eagle trade, eagle trade, okay? So then if you see such a trade like this, okay, then probably you can cut it off. Okay, at the most, you are already suffering for a 7 pips. You know what I mean? Alright. I don't want to cut it off because you know, Eric, I've been following you, and for the past few days, pound yen has been giving me a lot of profits. Like example, I have a profit from 14 straight TPs. I have a 14 straight TPs profitable trades, and I do not want to have one SL that actually makes my account history looks ugly. Well, you must understand there's this traditional and no, not traditional. I will say all this while, okay, when there's earth, there's human, we know the logic called no one is perfect. Okay. In forex trading as well, okay, so sometimes as you can see, all right, sometimes as you can see, things like as you are trading on the one of a strategy A, all right, by the way, I wanted to highlight this, all strategies makes money. Okay, all strategy, it makes money. Okay, it's just a matter of how well versed you are with that. Okay, so if you are trading a strategy A that makes consistent profit for the past 2 months, 3 months, 20%, 30%, or 100%, whatever, but bear that in mind, one fine day you will still have one SL from that strategy. Okay, if you have one SL from the strategy, will you tell yourself that, oh, holy, this is not the one that I want? This is not 100% strategy. Okay, this is not 100% structure. Okay, so I'm going to give up this. You've forgotten about the past results that they actually created. Forex trading is talking about long term. Okay, we are talking about long term. So in long term, we are not talking about one single SL to determine whether the strategy works or don't work. Okay, bear that in mind. All right, all strategy works. Okay, that is very important. Okay, so all strategy works. So that is something that we should have that in mind. Okay, it's just a matter of how well versed you are in that strategy. Okay, I never go and comment or challenge some other people's strategy, like, hey, your FIBO is lousy, hey, your support resistance is lousy, hey, your RSI MA method is all lousy. No. Okay, it's never about the strategy. It's always about the driver behind the wheels. Correct, guys? Okay, so same thing. Okay, so if you are suffering over here, if you're entering here, if you entered here, and if you see such a situation like this, okay, manage it. Manage the expectation. Okay, manage the expectation. So if you are managing the expectation well, let's say 15 pips, right? Just now you started saying about 15 pips, so I guess you should have enter around here. Okay, let's say here. So suffering of 15 pips. So now it comes back here to retest the resistance, the previous resistance as a support. Right, so you are thinking, okay, now it's about 8-9 pips, still within my risk appetite. Yes, you can continue to hold it. Okay, you can continue to hold it. All right, okay. So if it's getting out of hand, like example, okay, it's going to it's going to hit on the, it's going to break the resistance above there. Okay, we are suffering about 20 pips. Well, okay, I guess it's about time, correct? Okay, 20 pips is reasonable because what we are looking out is for 60 to 70 from your entry, 60, correct? So I guess it's still quite a healthy one that we are looking out for. Well, so in long term, okay, if you are trading this way, you will realize that even the SL coming along, but okay, you still see profits every month. Okay, this is how that you should be looking at. Okay, it should help you greatly, right? Okay, so right now, as you can see, it's hovering around this area. Okay, hovering around this area. So yeah, we still have about 4 minutes to go, which next hour is going to open, right? Okay, right. So yeah, so guys, please be reminded. Okay, once again, tomorrow I have something on for rehearsal for my stage speech giving. Okay, so I will be away, right? I'll be away. So I'll be back on the Monday once again to be with all of you, right? Okay. So yeah. So people who have just came in, all right, do subscribe to my YouTube channel so I will see you on weekly on my weekly videos and also on daily. Okay, next week Monday I will be back with you, right, with all of you here. Okay, right. You seems to be very free. Of course, I'm a full-time trader. It seems okay. There's a okay. It seems to be very free to trade all time round. Of course, because I'm a full-time trader. I'm a full-time trader. Yes. So my full-time job is to trade. Okay. Yes. Okay. So yeah. Next. What's next to go? Okay. Now pound dollar is reversing upwards once again, so we are looking out for the next H1 opening. If there's any chances that we can have a selling from there, because in whatever case now we are already in the resistance range. Okay, we are just waiting for the correct timing. Okay, we are just waiting for the correct timing. All right. Okay, so let's come back here in M5 over here. If let's say started to retrace downward, okay, let's say, all right, so this way we're in the range, tested, come back here, it's tested on the resistance up there, of course that will be good. Started to retrace, then that will be a nice one. Okay, entering of trade is good from there. So if this one comes back and retests without breaking out again, then I think this is another one. Okay, right? It all depends. It all depends on the situation during the period of time. Okay, before we actually take action. Okay. Hey. Yeah, that's right. Usually a lot of traders out there, they just plot out what the signal provider just given to them, and they did not really study the past closely about the situation, what the market is doing, and also they did not pay attention to the movement of the sentiment in the current market. Okay, I do agree. Yes, I do agree. Yeah. So that's why there are plenty of traders out there. Well, I mean, everybody grew up from that way. Okay, I grew up that way. Okay, in the Forex journey. Okay, so everyone will have a different perspective. Okay, towards Forex trading, towards same strategy, same system, same structure. Although let's say maybe I'm sharing with you the same structure Okay, same trading structure, but you may see it in a different perspective, and you may use it in a different way as well, right? Okay, yeah. Okay, so over here, okay, let's say now, let's see. Okay, we have a H1 opening over here, which is right now we are still in the range of resistance. This is the whole range of the resistance now. Okay, this range. Okay, can you see? Right. So okay, guys, let's plan ahead. Okay, let's plan ahead. Okay. What am I going to look out for is that now candle is going to let's say candle is coming down. Okay, so for the past 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, I want to see selling signal. Okay, selling signal. That means I want to see green, red candle, green, red candle. Okay, okay, and it is actually forming a lower low. Okay, a lower resistance, a lower high, and creating a lower low, or breaking the resistance back down and retest. Then we start to sell. Okay, so now as we can see, there's no more we can see that for this head and shoulder. Okay, no more. All right, so right now we are moving towards consolidation. Okay, you can see the consolidation. Okay, yes. Is there an account? There a trading account with zero spread that I can open? Zero spread. All right. I would say if someone can provide you a zero spread account, may I know what is the broker earning from you? Okay. So you got to be very okay, things are like this. Okay, there are things like say zero spread, okay, but they charge you commission. Okay, so it's actually a gimmick. Okay, so it's actually a gimmick. Okay. A broker in order for a broker to survive, okay, there must be something. Okay, that they must make something out of you, correct? If not, they are providing you a service. They are providing you a platform. Do you know to have all this to operate as a broker? Do you know minimally you to apply a license? You're already about 800,000 USD. Do you know that? So how to give you a zero spread? Okay, so when they give you zero spreads, I bet there must be commission. Okay, in order to survive in the business, okay, the broker must charge you something, right? Okay, I think that's pretty fair. Okay, that's pretty fair. I just don't understand why people are very willing to pay a transaction fee for stock, but they are not willing to pay for the spread in Forex trading. Does that sound funny? Am I right? Okay, so yeah, so that's I don't know why. Okay, so in any way, okay, any case here, let's come back here in our pound dollar that we're going to plan ahead what it's going to be like. Okay, so right now we are already in the situation that there may be a chance of a reversal, correct? Chance to go down for another round of selling that gives us a lower resistance, correct? Okay, a lower highs. So over here, if now my plan, then my blueprint is printed out as a lower resistance, a lower highs, so that will continue to sell down to break the support for a lower low. Okay, that's my blueprint. So will my blueprint be printed out? Okay, so let's say, okay, it's H1 going to be engulfing over here, 30, so showing me the selling signal, M5 coming again, retest the resistance, okay, then or a lower highs, okay, or lower low, and then we can start selling from there. Okay, right? So before I go, okay, I have tell you what is my blueprint and my plan for this pound dollar. Okay, so I hope it will help you greatly. So the second half of the trading, where I see that I still see there's a good chance. Okay, I still see that there's a good chance of selling. Okay, but just need the situation and the condition to form. Okay, then I will start to sell. All right. Okay, so I guess that's all for today. Okay, I think it's about time for me. All right, so I shall see you guys again, and good luck in your trading. Keep a lookout for pound dollar. So if you manage to capture any profits from pound dollar, well, remember to leave a comment below and let me know in this video, so that I can also enjoy and get your happiness shared into me, so that I got a positive energy here. Okay, all right. Okay, thank you so much, guys. So that's all for today. I shall wish you good luck with bountiful of profits for tonight. Okay, for the second half of the day, and see you again. This is Everyday from ACS Learning Hub. See you guys.